Hey, Mike here. So I'm going to take you through the latest updates in version 0.4.5 of SystemSculpt AI. So starting off with Ollama support, let's take a look at that. Right now, you can load up um, Ollama. So let's turn off this. We have Ollama loaded up via this port. And yeah, let's just choose one of these models, open up a new chat, say, hey, what architecture are you built on? And let's get a generation from there. And of course, this is using Ollama. Now, while that is processing, let me show you a few things here just to make some corrections. In this little description portion here, it should not say this anymore because it used to be the case where it only supported LM Studio, but now, of course, it supports Ollama with the latest update. As you can see, the generation is finally going on here. And yeah, it just tells you that it's Microsoft's digital being designed for productive conversations and efficient assistance. Cool, very cool. So a few things that I've added in terms of the chat features, it tells you which model has responded. So if we change the model and we change to Llama and we say, what color is the sky? That'll switch the model and it'll switch from Phi 3 medium to the Llama 3 latest. While that's going on, let's open up the little chat here, and here we go. So now this response that's currently being generated is being generated by Llama 3, and you'll see that in just a moment once it's done here. So let's just wait for it to complete. Okay, that's a little bit of a lengthy response, but it is answering the question very well. Okay, so boom, there we go. And now you can see that this previous one, the first response was from 5.3, but since we've changed it, it now states that this one is from Llama 3. And you can see that in the history file as well. You can see 5.3, Llama 3. So that's really nice. Another feature I added here is this little box. You're able to archive or delete the chat. I'm going to delete this chat for now. And yeah, you also have this tokens. So let me open up a chat that is a bit more lengthy, like this one. You can see I have 8,000 tokens, and you may be wondering, okay, how much is my next message going to cost? And so, of course, I'm using the local model, so it's not going to give me a cost because it's free, because it's a local model, right? But if I switch to, let's say, an OpenAI model and I use GPT 4o, now if I check the price, it's going to say that it's going to cost me anywhere from 4 cents to 10 cents, whatever, next message I send. And yeah, so that's a really nice feature. You can now see, okay, you know what? I have, let's say, 8,000 tokens or 50,000 tokens that I'm about to query. How much is that going to cost me? So this is a really nice feature. Another feature is that I improved upon is the recorder. So let's, record some audio, an audio note. And of course, you can see that here the modal is showing that it's recording. I fixed it so now that should work on Windows. It was working fine on Windows before, but just wasn't showing the audio line as it's showing right now. So hopefully I fixed that. Um, apart from that, there's now a little minus sign that, it minimizes it to your status bar, and you can, pop it back up, and you can just exit it. Once you exit the modal, it's going to transcribe. This is another little update. It just consistently shows you the transcribing notification up until it's fully complete. So there you go. That's exactly what I said in those few moments that I was talking. Apart from that, I mean, we have title generation. So there's a new modal. If you want to edit a title, you can see that it pops up here. You can also generate a title. So you can see generating title, and boom, SystemSculpt AI Comprehensive Documentation Guide. Cool, that's a nice title. Apart from that, those are all of the major changes. I mean, Llama support is pretty big, I feel. Apart from that, just a lot of quality of life changes. A lot of documentation I'm going through right now. and that's going to be my next big update, and of course, daily videos. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you again tomorrow.